Math 5, Quarter 4, Week 3. Illustrate different solid figures using concrete and pictorial models. Compare and contrast plane figures to solid figures using concrete and pictorial models. Day 1. Short review. Identify what figure is being described. I am a plane figure with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. When you add the measure of my angles, you get 180 degrees. Depending on my sides and angles, I can be classified into different types. Who am I? So the answer is triangle. I am a plane figure with a curved boundary. I own a collection of points equidistant from a fixed point called the center. Who am I? Circle. I have 4 equal sides, 4 vertices, and 4 right angles. I also have 2 diagonals that intersect at a 90-degree angle. Who am I? Square. I am a polygon with 5 sides. Who am I? Pentagon. I have 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 right angles. My opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other, and my diagonals also bisect each other. Who am I? Rectangle. If two-dimensional figures are called plane figures, what do we call the figures with 3 dimensions? Answer: solid figures. Give examples of solid figures that you can see inside our classroom. So the answer: what are solid figures? Solid figures are figures or shapes with 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. They also occupy spaces. Subtopic 1. Illustrate different solid figures using concrete and pictorial models. Name that shape. Number 1. Sphere. Number 2. Cone. Number 3. Rectangular prism. Number 4. Cylinder. Number 5. Cube. Number 6. Pyramid. Solid figures are figures or shapes with 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. We can say that solid figures are everywhere. When we look around, we can see many of them, be it in school, at home, at the mall, in the street, or everywhere. They occupy space and have length, width, and height. This figure is an example of a solid figure called a rectangular prism. Look at its height, length, and width. Other types of solid figures include cylinders, cones, pyramids, spheres, and prisms. Cubes and rectangular prisms are considered as prisms. Activity. Solid figure match up. Match up the correct properties or descriptions to the given solid figure. Number 1. It has one surface and has no edges or vertices. or corners, all points on the surface. Cylinder. Next, it has a flat base, a flat top, and one curved side. The bases are always congruent and parallel. Both the base and top are either circular or oval. Sphere. It has a circular or oval base with an apex or vertex. It has one curved side. It looks like a rotated triangle. Cone. It has a polygon base and is connected by triangular faces to its apex. Pyramid. It has 6 faces, each with 4 edges, and is a square. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices or corner points, with 3 edges. Cube. It has 6 faces, 2 at the top and bottom and 4 at the lateral faces. All the faces are rectangular, hence it has 3 pairs or identical faces. Rectangular prism. Day 2 and 3. Subtopic 2. Compare and contrast plane figures to solid figures using concrete and pictorial models. Activity. Sorting shapes. Sort the following as per their dimensions. So the answer, first group, we call it plane figures. Second group, solid figures. Plane figures, they are called flat shapes. Solid figures, they are called solid shapes. Plane figures, they have no depth or thickness, while solid figures, they have depth or thickness. They occupy space. Plane figures, they are two-dimensional, while solid figures, they are three-dimensional. Plane figures, they have length and width, while solid figures, they have length, width, and height. D4. Lesson activity. Letter A. Write P on the blank if the illustration represents a plane figure, and S if it represents a solid figure. Number 1. S. Number 2. P. Number 3. S. Number 4. S. Number 5. P. Number 6. P. 7. S. Number 8. P. Number 9. S. Number 10. S. Letter B. If the statement describes a plane figure, we write it in the first column. If it describes a solid figure, we write it in the second column. We have three dimensions. Solid figures. They are called flat shapes. Plane figure. They have length, width, and height. Solid figures. They have no depth or thickness. Plane figure. They are called solid shapes. Solid figures. They have two dimensions. Plane figure. They have depth or thickness. Solid figures. They occupy space. Solid figure. They have length and width only. Plane figure. Day 5. Letter A. Identify the type of solid figure illustrated. Then draw one example of an object for each figure with the same shape seen around you. Number 1. Type of solid figure. Cylinder. Object with the same shape. Candles, tissue roll, etc. Number 2. Cube. Die, gift box, etc. Number 3. Sphere. Bowl, globe, marble. Number 4. Cone. Funnel, megaphone. Number 5. Rectangular prism. Chocolate bar, cabinet, popsicle, butter, etc. Number 6. Pyramid. Roof, tent, pyramid of Giza, etc. Letter B. Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Number 1. Plane figures are three-dimensional. False. Number 2. Plane figures are solid figures. False. Number 3. Solid figures occupy spaces. True. Number 4. Solid figures have no thickness or depth. Number 5. Solid figures have length, width, and height. Number 6. Solid figures have thickness or depth. 7. Prisms and pyramids are two-dimensional figures. 8. Solid figures are flat. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.